Minasan, konnichiwa! Today, I will be teaching you Topic 7, Celebrating Birthdays, Session 4, Culture Sharing. Our objectives for today are: first, to know the different ways of celebrating birthdays around the world. Second, to know that in Japan, there are certain ages or birthdays which are celebrated in a special way. Third, to be able to say birthday greetings in Japanese. And fourth, to be able to write Tanjobi Omedito in Hiragana. Today, we will talk about different ways of celebrating birthdays around the world and the significance of certain age when celebrating birthdays in Japan. How do you think Filipinos usually celebrate their birthdays? Okay, correct! Go to mass, have a party, and eat pancit for a long life. Can you share how you celebrated your previous birthday? Now, I want you to get the worksheet entitled Different Ways of Celebrating Birthdays Around the World. As you can see on the first column are the names of countries. And on the second column is the list of traditions around the world. I will give you 5 minutes to match the traditions with each countries. The timer starts now. In China, the birthday child eats noodles for long life. In Mexico, the birthday child hits a colorful papier-mâché figure called a piñata, filled with goodies until it is cracked open. The children share the goodies, after which the song Las Mañanitas is sang. In Jamaica, everyone sings and dances to reggae music while the birthday child is covered in flour. While in India, birthday celebrants wear very colorful clothing to school and pass chocolates out to their classmates. Birthday meals usually include curry and a spicy fruit relish called chutney. Dessert is usually rice pudding with pistachios, almonds, raisins, and a spice called cardamom. In Israel, a small child sits in a chair while grown-ups raise and lower it a number of times corresponding to the child's age, plus one for good luck. Boys celebrate their bar mitzvah when they turn 13, while girls have a bat mitzvah when they turn 12. At these ages, boys and girls must obey traditional laws as adults and behave responsibly. In United States, a cake is made and candles are put on top based on how old the person is. Everyone sings the happy birthday song, and afterwards, the birthday child blows out the candles. If they blow them all out with one blow, their birthday wishes will come true. In England, certain symbolic objects are mixed into the birthday cake as it being prepared. People used to believe that if your piece of cake had a coin in it, it was a sign that you would become wealthy, while if you found a thimble, it was a sign that you would never marry. And lastly, in Africa, many tribes hold initiation celebrations that celebrate multiple children's birthdays at once. At these initiations, children are taught about their culture, tribe, traditions, and laws of the land. Did you discover differences or similarities between the Philippines and these countries in terms of birthday tradition? Let's have the summary of this lesson. Traditions reflect how much interaction takes place between people from different cultures. These types of cultural exchange have taken place for many centuries and will continue to take place for years to come. As we interact with people from other cultures, new traditions and customs are bound to emerge. How do you think Japanese people celebrate their birthdays? Ichi. Birthdays in Japan are usually celebrated in simple manner with close family and friends only. Ni. Birthday celebrants are given presents and birthday cards. Sang. Birthday cakes are a common part of the celebration. There are cases where the celebrant's favorite food is prepared as part of the celebration. Yon. Although most parents hold small parties upon their child's request, this tradition usually stops when children enter their teens. Go. Main differences with the Philippines include the fact that the birthday parties are smaller and the fact that the birthday celebrants are treated by their friends. Roku. The Japanese consider some birthdays more special when they celebrate certain age. On the 20th birthday, at this age, one is considered adult and smoking and drinking become legal. On the 60th birthday, at this age, one has already completed 5 cycles of the Chinese zodiac and is considered being reborn. On the 77th birthday, at this age, one is considered to be a happy age and is fortunate for living up until this age. What do you think you should do when someone you know has a birthday? Greet them, happy birthday! How will you do it in Japanese? Tanjoubi omedetou! Let's practice! CJ-san, Tanjoubi omedetou!
Arigato!
Hiragana writing. Instruction for writing, Ichi. Follow the stroke order of each character by emphasizing on the end stroke where one should use hook, stop, and fade out. Ni. Each character should be written between the lines. Sang. Each character should be the same size except for yo. Practice makes perfect. Write the phrase and practice 5 times or more in your notebook. Refer to your Let's Write Hiragana booklet so that you will be guided on how to achieve better writing. It's the thought that counts. You have to practice writing first so that you can write legibly in the birthday card in the next session. Remember that the card is supposed to be a present or gift to your loved ones. So you should make an extra effort to give your best in writing. Minasan, reflection time! What did you learn today? What did you do in this session? Do people from different countries celebrate birthdays in the same way? Why or why not? How did you feel when writing a hiragana phrase? I want you to write it on your Nihongo notes. For your enrichment activity, I want you to practice writing Tanjobi o Medito in your notebook. And for our next session, you will prepare colored papers, coloring materials such as pencils, crayons, and others. We will make a birthday card. Minasan, Jugyo Owarimasu, Sayonara!